Hello students, today you will learn lesson number 14, Unity in Diversity. Today's topic is discrimination between girls and boys. Not only in India but also in the world, women play a major role as a resource in national development. सिर्फ भारत में ही नहीं पूरे विश्व में महिलाओं का योगदान एक राष्ट्र विकास के लिए बहुत बड़ी उपलब्धि है. Due to the biological differences, there is a difference in the upbringing of the girls and boys. So we find the difference in the development also. Today majority of women remain engaged in cooking, household chore and upbringing children. आज भी ज़्यादातर महिलाएं घर के कामकाज में जुटी हुई हैं. They don't have importance to take decision regarding family matters. उनके पास आज भी परिवार के महत्वपूर्ण निर्णय लेने का अधिकार नहीं है. Still, girls do not have the basic requirements, health facilities, educational rights or economical rights. Girls are still not given equal opportunities in the field of sports, education or even in the occupation. They are deprived of moving freely and thinking independently. They are not even treated equally. Girls are still victim of some social evils like marriage, parda system, dowry system. Dowry system means Dahej Pratha and other evil customs because of the low literacy rate. हमारे समाज में अभी भी मेल चाइल्ड का इम्पोर्टेंस ज़्यादा है. बर्थ ऑफ बॉयज इज गिवन प्रेफरेंस सो द गर्ल्स बिकेम द विक्टिम ऑफ फीमेल फोर्टिसाइड. और इसीलिए कई नवजात शिशु जो लड़कियां हैं वो हमें किसी अनाथ आश्रम में पाई जाती है या किसी कूड़ेदान में, या तो उनके पैदा होने से पहले ही उन्हें ख़त्म कर दिया जाता है. लेस नंबर ऑफ फीमेल इन वेरियस फील्ड शो द डिस्क्रिमिनेशन बिटवीन मेल एंड फीमेल क्लियरली. With the rising level of education, this discrimination is gradually disappearing. जैसे जैसे हमारे समाज में जागरूकता बढ़ रही है, एजुकेशन का रेशियो जैसे जैसे इंक्रीज हो रहा है, धीरे धीरे ये सारे डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, ये सारे भेदभाव कम होते जा रहे हैं. There are still many similarities in the struggle of the women, whether they are in the age of Ramayana or in Mahabharata or even in the modern age. Government has taken some of the steps to improve the condition of the female in the society for the upliftment and the betterment of the female. Let us see. Efforts to remove differences towards female. National Commission for Women was formed in 1992. Nari Adalat have been established so that women can easily get justice. Women welfare centers were formed to solve the problem of women. Society and government have made combined effort to increase the ratio of girl education. Government has launched many projects to save the girl child for the education of the girls and the welfare of the girls and taking care of their health and basic requirements. Laws have been framed to ensure equal ownership in family property. Now girls are also having equal rights in the family property. Strict laws have been framed to prohibit child marriage, dowry system and female foeticide. Many programs have been implemented since 1980 in our country to ensure that women receive equal status, education and security.